How much should you actually spend on a hobby RC plane? Because people are happy buying the cheap ones, but returning the expensive ones. It's a bit interesting.
Product number 1, Hawkswork Cessna. The Hawkswork Cessna. This ready-to-fly RC plane is priced at $42.99, and the first thing that caught my eye was its built-in self-stabilization system. If you want a solid option for beginners, this is worth a serious look. This plane is designed for kids and beginners ages 8 and up, making it super accessible. The lightweight foam structure means it can survive some bumps along the way, which is crucial when you're just starting out. Plus, the 2.4 GHz radio control allows for easy directional flying without interference. So if your kid wants to fly with friends, it's totally doable. And with over 400 sales in the past month, people are clearly giving it a shot. Now, some folks might worry about the fact that it only has a 3-month battery warranty. Here's the thing though, for the price, it's not a deal breaker, especially since you get a full year warranty on the aircraft itself. This is perfect for you if you're looking for a straightforward, easy-to-fly plane for a kid or beginner. However, skip this one if you're looking for advanced features or high-speed capabilities. Overall, it's great value for beginners. Now, if you're looking for something a bit more advanced, the next one on my list might actually be even better for those wanting a bit more excitement. Product number 2, Hawkswork F22. Let's talk about the Hawkswork F22, retailing at $48.99. The striking design and ease of use really caught my attention. If you want a stylish starter plane that packs a bit more punch, this one's worth considering. Like the Cessna, this model also features a self-stabilization system, making it friendly for beginners. With its durable foam structure, it can handle a few tumbles while learning to fly. The 2.4 GHz control system ensures you can fly it around without worrying about interference. And it comes with spare propellers and batteries, which is a nice touch for beginners. It's garnered around 300 sales recently, showing it's popular among new flyers. However, some reviews mention that it can be tricky for absolute beginners to grasp the controls right away. Here's the thing though, with a little practice, most users find it manageable, and it's designed to help you improve. This is perfect for anyone wanting a stylish, easy-to-learn plane with a bit more flair. But if you're after something more advanced right off the bat, you might want to keep looking. Still, it offers good value for newer enthusiasts. Alright, that was a solid option. But if you're looking for something more fun and dynamic, the next plane on my list is sure to capture your interest. Product number 3, Tubacoro Fighter Jet. Let's look at the Tubacoro Fighter Jet, which is priced at just $26.99. This one caught my eye because of its impressive stunt capabilities. If you want something exciting that can perform tricks, you might want to check this out. The fighter jet offers 360-degree flips and stunts, which means your flying adventures can be full of fun and excitement. It's ready to fly right out of the box, and with bright LED lights, it's perfect for night flying as well. This plane is designed to withstand bumps thanks to its durable EPP material, and it's been flying off the shelves with over 300 sales in the past month. However, some users pointed out that it can be tough to control during windy conditions. Honestly, that's something to think about if you live in a breezy area. But if you're flying in calm weather, it's an absolute blast. This is perfect for kids and adults who want a fun, stunt-capable plane that's easy to control. But skip this one if you plan to fly it mostly in windy conditions. It might not hold up as well. It's a fantastic value for the price. Now, if you're ready to step up your flying game, the next product will definitely impress. Product number 4, Leanby F4U Corsair. The Leanby F4U Corsair, priced at $179.99. This one caught my eye for its advanced features and realistic design. If you want a plane that feels professional and offers a solid flying experience, give this a look. The Corsair is designed for all skill levels, with 3 different modes that let you start easy and work your way up. The brushless motor delivers great power and efficiency, meaning you get impressive performance every time you fly. With a range of 656 feet and flight times of up to 30 minutes, it's ideal for those longer outdoor sessions. People have been snatching this one up, with over 50 sales recently. But here's the thing, it requires AA batteries for the remote, which aren't included. A few reviews mentioned it's a bit of a hassle to source those, but once you're set up, it's worth the effort. This is perfect for serious hobbyists wanting a realistic and powerful RC plane. However, if you're just starting out and looking for something simple, you might find it a bit complex. Still, for the performance you get, it's a solid investment.
Alright, that was a powerful option, but if you want something lightweight and forgiving for younger flyers, check out the last product on my list.
Product number 5, Simrex P51 Glider. We have the Simrex P51 Glider priced at $59.99. This one stood out to me because it's light and designed specifically for beginners. If you want a forgiving plane that helps new pilots build confidence, this is the one for you. Made from flexible EPP foam, it's super lightweight and can handle those inevitable crashes that beginners face. The 6-axis gyro helps with stability, which means smoother flying and automatic corrections in the air. With over 40 minutes of total flight time thanks to 2 rechargeable batteries, you'll spend less time waiting to fly. This model has also been popular with over 50 sales recently. However, some users mention that it can take a bit of time to get used to the controls, but honestly, that's typical for any beginner plane. Once you get the hang of it, you'll be soaring in no time. This is perfect for kids and first-time pilots looking for an easy-to-fly, durable option. But skip this one if you're looking for advanced features right out of the gate. It's a great value for those starting their flying adventure.
So there you have it. We covered the Hawksworks Cessna and F-22, the Tubocoro fighter jet, the Lambee F-4U Corsair, and the Simrex P51 Glider. Each plane offers something unique, whether you're looking for ease of use, exciting stunts, or advanced features. Choose the one that best fits your skill level and flying style, and get ready for some fun in the sky.